Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're working on different Cummins engines. We have a X15 over there that is having high crankcase pressure, but we also have here a ISL engine that was having issues. So Marcos here is working still. ¿Qué, pues, Mike? Yeah. So we remove the head because we were having the following problem, and you're gonna see. And that was the issue when I disabled cylinder number 4. The engine died because it was working on one cylinder, as you can see, and the engine has to be able to maintain the power even on one cylinder, and so that was the issue with this engine. So of course, to find the real problem, I was recommended to disassemble the engine, and that is what I did. And today I'm going to show you what is the problem with this engine. So keep in mind that not all the problems I'm going to show you in these videos are going to be the same. So just because I'm showing you this specific problem doesn't mean that you're going to have the specific problem. So this is just a demonstration on what is the issue, and if in case you run with the same problem, you know what are the steps to find out the problem. So here we have the cylinder head completely removed, and the problem was on cylinder number 4, and here we have cylinder number 4, and here we can see the damage. Let me focus. Let's see, focus. Oh, right there. So see that cylinder valve seat is completely pushed in compared to the other ones. The other ones are fine. So that is the reason why we were having compression leak. But the problem doesn't stop here. We have a major problem too, because we also have damage on the surface of the cylinder head, as you can see. See all that damage that looks around. You can pay attention to that. That is caused because we had some kind of like material beating on the piston and the cylinder head. ¿Qué pasa? Yeah, so but mira, ya le habían reparado esta cabeza, mira. ¿Oh, sí? Oh, okay. So turns out that this cylinder head was we repaired the cylinder head before, but it was supposedly a good one that we installed. I don't know if you saw that video before. Then I show you another ISL engine. This is exactly the same ISL engine. So we installed your cylinder head. I kind of like recognize the engine, but I didn't pay attention completely to everything. But anyway, this is the exact same engine that we did the engine before, and the cylinder head is damaged, which means then yeah, this is a warranty job, and we need to take care of this. But of course, this is something else that we need to keep in mind whenever you are doing engine. Just be sure, double check that you are installing the proper component. And in this case, because this cylinder head was not in good condition, now it's causing more issues, and this is a serious problem with this engine. And of course, we are going to repair it, but I'm going to see the piston too and see what else we have to do here. Este le cambiaron los pistones también, ¿no? Y ese ya está malo, ¿va? Yeah, so we have an issue. So this is a bigger issue than I expected. So anyway, this is a live video. I am not making everything up. This is how everything goes. This is a problem with the shop. So the problem here is then we did replace this head. We replace it with with a good one that someone brought to us, and it is not good. That is the reason why we're having this issue. So the pistons and everything was repaired, was replaced, and we have a damage in this piston right here. See, this piston is bad. It needs to be replaced. This is a serious problem now. So warranty job. Of course, there is nothing to do with our labor. The problem here is the cylinder head that was not in good condition. So this is going to cost a lot of money now, and the downtime for the owner of the truck. This truck cannot go anywhere. I remember then the other day when we did something to this cylinder head. It was on the other cylinder, but I want to double check the previous video I did. But in resume, if you have a Cummins engine and you're planning to install a used head, it's not a good idea. You can see on this video it was not a good idea to install a cylinder head and was supposedly used in a good condition, because now the damage of the engine is even worse, because we need to redo the whole engine once again, and it's going to be more expensive. So as recommendation for you, if you have a Cummins engine, in this case this is an ISL engine. So if you have an ISL engine, just buy a head from the dealer. It's going to be more expensive and everything, but it's going to save you so much downtime. And we have to deal with this problem now. It's something that I was familiar with this truck, but I was like, okay, yeah, there's something wrong with it. I thought it was a different truck, but it's the same truck, the same owner. So yeah, this is a warranty job. Too bad. Anyway, this is the way it is. This is a day-by-day operation. In this case, we try to save money to the owner of the truck, and especially he wanted to save some money too, so he decided to do this route. I remember then he didn't want to buy a new head, so he just wanted to buy a used head, so that way he can save some money. But of course, warranty comes all around, so we have to be responsible for stuff too. And yes, this is a big problem. Anyway, in resume for this video, I would say then if you have a Cummins engine, and as I said before, and if you're planning you have a problem with the cylinder head, just buy a new head from the dealer. That's gonna save you so much money and problems. And that's what it is. But today with this video, basically this is an update with the ISL repair, which is really bad, so bad. So anyway, it's a live video. I mean, like, basically this is something real that is happening here at the shop, and of course, if there is a problem, we have to fix it, and there is a problem after fixing the problem, we have to fix it again. So hopefully you like this video, and if you have any questions or anything else to add to this video, just comment below, and we'll be happy to answer it. And Instagram, you can find me as franciscoamaya YouTube. You can see all the things that I'm doing there, and I have a new channel called The Mechanic School. You can follow it too, talking about different things there as well. So thank you for watching, and like this video, subscribe, and see you in the next video.